The COVID review meeting is a procedural meeting we had in terms of the entire situation that we're seeing globally. And the Honorable Prime Minister himself also is taking a meeting as we speak. And this is just a precautionary meeting because we'll be all leaving for Christmas break. And hence, I thought it appropriate that given the current situation that's happening in the rest of the world, that it's important to review. In the review, we have seen that the situation is very much as of now under control. There is nothing to panic about. And in fact, a lot of testings have been taking place. And there are very, very less than 0.002% or 5% less, 0.2%, 0.1% of positivity rate is there, which is very, very minimal. So there is nothing alarming as of now. But obviously, as a government, it is our duty to not take things for granted, and hence we have taken a review and we'll be continuously monitoring the situation. And in this festive season, the only advisory that is there is that wherever possible, people should wear masks. That is the only simple advisory we have. But as I said, as of now, the situation is under control and there's nothing to panic. But as a society, as a government, and as individuals, we should be careful.